Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this other new lesson. I remember in the last lessons, we have discussed about some of the factors that causes hearing impairment. And in this lesson, I want us, of course, to pick up from where we left last time and discuss another factor that causes hearing impairment. So we talk about a disorder. Remember, auditory disorder of poor speech perception. Even though the tympanic membrane or the middle ear structures and maybe the cochlear nerve are intact, but people with auditory disorder may of course have normal hearing just like any other person, or may have the hearing loss, of course, ranging from mild to severe. Of course, with inherited disorders, people, especially those ones with Down syndrome, are more likely to have a hearing loss. So this is usually due to middle ear effusions, of course, in the childhood, but towards the end of the second decade, they may develop a high frequency, of course, of sensorineural hearing loss, which can get progressively worse with time. So we have to be very careful. Remember, there's nothing you can do with a disorder because some of them, or mostly disorders, are inherited. So we just have to be prayerful so that this cause, of course, disorder cannot worsen to the condition that comes to profound problems, because we have said that disorders are associated with causing the hearing loss from mild to severe. So make sure you go through this again and again so that you are empowered enough to have ideas, especially when it comes to factors associated to the hearing impairment. See you in the next lesson.